not sure if goading me or genuine encouragement. Cold in the little village that I stayed in last night. The sun is up and it's actually nicely warm. Not sure how much further I've got to go today. I'd probably say halfway. It's just past lunchtime. Not too strenuous of a walk. A few uphills here and there. Left knees hurting a little bit, but after 80-90 kilometers it's bound to. Yeah, let's just keep walking. I'm coming into Cowling. Thankfully, I've busted my knee. Lots of descents, putting so much pressure on my knees, more than I ever have. Gonna see how it plays out tonight. Pop a few ibuprofen and hopefully I can hike on tomorrow. But for now, my God, it hurts. It is 20 to 8 in the morning on day 5. Hello. More breakfast. Yummy. After sliding down a creek embankment and instinctively grabbing a handful of stinging nettle to stop myself. Yeah, pro tip, don't do that. The burn hit me just as my knee started protesting in stereo. It felt like my left knee was about to pack it in altogether. I kept muttering that all I needed was a rest, so I decided to call it and limp my way into Gargrave. As I strolled past the canals lined with charming longboats bobbing gently on the water, my stomach made it very clear it was time to be fed. Chew with your mouth closed, you animal! Day 6 was a rest day. A joyous rest day. I hung around Gargrave and then Malham, where I got an Uber. At the moment I'm in a hostel. There's only 2 people in a room of 8. Looks like 8 beds. So, very thankful. Leg is still sore, rather than the knee. So, we'll see how tomorrow goes. But I really want to hike tomorrow because it looks so pretty outside. Day 7 on the Pennine Way. I'm in Malham, heading to some town. Horton and Ribblesdale or something. Ribblesdale or Middleton, who knows. I'll get there when I get there. My leg is, or rather my knee is still hurting. Patella tendonitis. Joyous! I'm gonna go have breakfast by the Cove, which is inland. Go figure. That's where the river starts. It's one of the most dramatic and geologically fascinating stretches of the Pennine Way. A day that really shows off the Yorkshire Dales at their best. With limestone pavements, wild moorland, and big open skies, I made my way over the quiet heights of Fountains Fell before tackling the steep, craggy climb of Pen-y-ghent, rising like a fortress ahead. Even with an injury, I couldn't help but enjoy it. The constantly changing landscape kept things interesting, every mile offering something new. Malham to Horton and Ribblesdale, a name that sounds like it's straight out of a Dr. Seuss book, in my opinion, turned out to be one of my favourite stretches yet. Pen-y-ghent is the name of this mountain. Apparently, this is ridiculous. I'm scrambling up. Sanity check. Not at the top yet. My time in Horton and Ribblesdale offered a welcome chance to rest. The sun was shining, and I spent the evening enjoying dinner while watching England's women team triumph in the UEFA Champions Trophy. Tomorrow, my sights would be set on the town of Hawes.